This video is an update to the previous one. In that video, I showed you how to use Google Sheets to process your data and how to use Logger Pro to graph it. Now I'm going to update that by showing you how to use Vernier Graphical Analysis Pro in the same kind of way to graph your data. So we're going to use the same data. Remember, we were looking at a theoretical experiment, how long it takes to raise something to a height. And so our independent variable was height and our dependent variable was time, or our input variable was height, output variable was time. And so I've opened up Vernier Graphical Analysis Pro, and I'm going to click manual entry because I'm going to enter the data manually, not from a sensor, and then I get something like this with a graph and a table. If you don't see either the graph or the table, you can come over here to this menu, and that's where you toggle them on and off. We want both of those visible, and once again, we're going to copy our height data, and then we're going to paste it over here. Notice that when I paste it in, I don't get as many decimals as I did over here, so to make that match, I go to column options and displayed precision, and I want 2 decimal places. I'm going to go by decimal places here, not significant figures, because that's what I did in my original table, and now that matches. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my average of time, which was my y variable, copy that, and paste that in. And this time when I paste it in, I get the same decimal places as I had before. Now I want to title those columns. The x value is height, and it has an uncertainty that is constant throughout of 0.05 meters. So to change all of that, I go to column options. I can retitle it height. That has units of meters. And then I click show error bars, and I want all of the error bars to be the same fixed value of 0.05 meters. So I click apply. Now, it's a little trickier for the uncertainty in the y variable because those differ. So what I need to do here, first let's retitle this column. That was time and units of seconds. And you'll see when I click show error bars, I can once again choose a column value. So I need to make that column first. So let's add a manual column, error in time, and that's going to have units of seconds. And we're going to, again, give that one decimal place. And click apply. And now I'm going to paste these values in. Now what I want to do is come back over to time, click column options. And now when I click use column value under error bars, I can choose error in time. And when we click apply, now you can see that our y values have different size error bars. So that's how you do it in Vernier Graphical Analysis Pro. If you wanted to do anything further, like add line of best fit or anything like that, you do that under here with apply curve fit, etc. Okay, so that's how you do the same kind of process in Vernier Graphical Analysis Pro.